Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a chicken and oats soup recipe. You might be knowing this, but I'm just showing you how I make it. So first of all, I have kept 8 cups of water for boiling. Into this, I'm going to add half of an onion that is chopped, 1 clove of garlic, and half of a cube of chicken stock. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I'm going to add some salt. Salt is as per your taste, but care has to be taken as chicken stock also has some salt. Then I'm adding 2 pieces of chicken which is chopped into small cubes. I've also added 1 bony piece of chicken which I will remove at the end after it gets cooked. Now comes the main ingredient, which is the oats. So I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons full of oats. So care has to be taken not to add too much of oats, or else the taste of the soup gets altered. So I like to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats, and that itself gives a lot of thickness to my soup once it's cooked properly. If you want your soup to be more thick, then feel free to add more oats. It's just because I wanted a medium consistency, not too thick, not too thin. That's why I'm adding just 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats. I have been having this soup since my childhood. My mom used to make this by sauteing onions and garlic in oil. But I thought I'll skip that step and add everything into boiling water. But I feel there is not much difference in the taste. And the key to a very good soup is cooking this oats properly for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I usually do not add chicken stock into this when I make it at home. I just add it when some guests are there, or just when I want to make it special, just to enhance the flavor. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, as you can see, the soup has become thick and the oats has got cooked really well. I have removed the bony chicken piece. Shredded it and added it back. At this point, I have turned the stove off and I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves into it. Just a handful. Finally, I like to add some black pepper, but I like to add it while serving the soup so I get more of the fresh flavor of pepper in my soup. And the soup is ready now. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like it, please do give it a thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.